Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Now we will look into ourselves and say, I must cultivate a good habit of being nice to everyone, not being bossy. In the circle of friends or in your house, if you are very dominating bossy person, nobody likes. I remember my little friend's son telling, he's only a 10-year-old and he said, my God, my mom is bossy. Why? Because mummies always get him to do things. Now, what is the meaning of bossy? When you say bossy, you mean sometimes children bully others. That also can be a kind of bossiness. Forcing people to do something. That also, you are bossing someone to do something that you don't want to do and make somebody else do. So, today we are going to think, we are going to cultivate in us a nice habit of being nice to everyone, getting things done, not in an aggressive manner, not in a bossy manner, not bullying. And that's what we are going to look at. And where in the class, where in the house am I bossy? So I must not be bossy. That's what we are looking at, okay? I must not be bossy. I must not be bossy. That's what we are looking at. I must not be a bully. I must not be aggressive with others. Okay, that's what we are. I must not force people, force friends to do what they don't want, getting them to do at any cost. And that is being a big boss. Okay. In the class, most of the time teachers choose children who are a bit bossy so that you have control over the children. Finally, the friends end up not liking that person. So let us think of that example and say to yourself, I must not be bossy. Okay? Because my friends will not like me. When I'm bossy in the house, in the classroom, will the friends like me? So, she's a big bossy child. Keep her out. So, I must not be bossy because my friends will not like me. My friends will not like me. Will not like me. Bossing them, telling them, come here, go there, do this, bring this. Like one big teacher. Most of the time, teachers use you, bossy children, to get things done. But finally, the friends will say, oh, we don't like her. So let us not be bossy. Let us be friendly and get things done. Then, I must not be bossy because I will hurt others' feelings. You will be sometime not knowing, you will be rude, you will say words, you will make them do things. So, it's not good. So, I must not be bossy because I will hurt others without knowing. Because I must not be bossy because I will hurt. I will hurt others. Can be others, friends, classmates, anybody. Others' feelings. Now, feelings are very, very important. You must feel nice within you. You should be calm. Then you will not go to hurt your friend's feeling. So, you must cultivate the habit of I must not be bossy because I don't want to hurt my friends' feelings. So, you must learn not to be bossy. Now, sometimes you do teamwork in the classroom. You are put into different groups, and in each group there will be a leader. And if the leader happens to be bossy, then you will not be able to get enough points from others. Some will keep quiet, and final result will not come out good because of the bossy leader. So I must tell yourself, I must not be bossy in my group. Always be willing to listen to others. I must not be bossy because it will affect a teamwork. Because I must not be bossy because I being a bossy person, I will affect the teamwork. The team work. Because I am bossy, I will not help others to think and come out with better ideas to present a better work in the team. So I must tell myself, even if I want to say something, even if I want the boss, I must say no. Let others say. Let all the friends in the team say what they have to say. Let us listen. Let's be listening to each other and come out with a nice report. Not only one person says, write down everything and just go and give it away. So, I must not be bossy because my friends will not like me. No one likes a bossy friend. They all like friends who willing to share ideas and opinion about each other, and they like to have a relaxed friendship. I must not be bossy because I will hurt others' feelings. A bossy person is always an unhappy person who's been not listened to at home or punished at home or in the class, not able to get marks, not able to get her own way. So, an unhappy person sometimes, or sometimes the child who thinks, oh, I have read a lot of stories, I am very good. So, when you think too much also, you will begin to hurt the feeling of others. I must not be bossy because I will affect the teamwork, the group that is working, good result will not come out because of my bossiness. Now, I must not be bossy as we cannot learn from others. When we are bossy, we do not listen to others. We will not learn, we will not grow. So we must curb the bossiness. I must not be bossy because I will not be able to learn. I will not be able to learn from others. From others. Others also have great ideas. They also want to share what they know, what they have read. So, when you are bossy, you will not be able to listen to others. When you don't listen to others, you do not grow. You miss out because you cannot read up everything. Each person has got different ideas about the topic. They have read a lot about that, like you. So, all the ideas put together, it becomes beautiful teamwork. So, when you do not listen to others, when you are bossy, you miss out a lot of things. I must not be bossy because it is a negative attitude. The character not good. You need to be moving along with others like a river flows. And what floats on top of it? That doesn't merge with the river, isn't it? A bossy person is like that. Stand out, not merge with a group. So I must not be bossy because it is a negative, it's a bad habit. Boss, no one likes a bully, no one likes a bossy person. I must not be bossy because it is a bad habit, negative habit. Always, when there is a bad habit, do not follow. When there is a negative habit, do not follow. Break it, stop it. Tell yourself, no, I am going to be a good child. I will not allow myself to boss others. No, it's not a good habit. I will not cultivate it. You have to tell yourself. And early in the beginning itself, break it. Now, I must not be bossy with my brother and sister at home. You cannot have your way all the time. You can end up fighting, lot of problem for mom and dad. I must not be bossy with, I must not be bossy at home. I must not be bossy at home with my brother, big brother or small brother. Big or small, whatever. Big or small, brother, sister. A brother or sister or aunt or whoever. At home. Cultivating good habit is at home. Cultivating a good habit of not being bossy at home. With your brother, with your sister, with whoever cousins who come home. Learn to be a nice little, pleasant little girl or boy. I must not be bossy when I ask for something. You ask in a manner that nobody wants to give it to you, anything. Even at home with mommy, you ask something in a very bossy manner, you will not get it. And you will wonder why. Okay? When I ask for something, I must not be bossy when I ask for something. I ask for something and I won't get it also. I must not be bossy when I ask for something at home or in the class or anyway. Can be at home or outside. When you ask anything in a bossy manner, you won't get it. They'll say, let that child wait. Let this one wait. Let my brother wait. Mommy will say, oh, let her learn. Let her learn. So we will give her later what she asks. So when I ask for something, I must ask nicely, politely, not in a bossy manner, aggressive manner. Always a bossy child is an aggressive child, a big bully, getting things, getting her way, his way. In the house, getting her way, his way. Outside, with friends, classmates, anyway. So that kind of person, you call it a bully, bossy, aggressive, and finally, unhappy child. So what are we learning today? We are learning to cultivate good habit within us. What good habit? Of not bullying, not bossing, not being aggressive at home, being pleasant at home, being nice in the school, being nice with the friends. So I must not be bossy because my friends will not like me. So I will not be. I must not be bossy because I will hurt others' feelings, both in the house with my siblings, my neighbors, my cousins, my schoolmate, classmate. I must not be bossy because I will hurt their feeling. Their feeling is very, very important. I must not be bossy because I will affect the teamwork. Because I'm bossy, the teamwork, the group work will not progress because I am not letting others give their view. I must not be bossy because I will not be able to learn from others. When I am bossy, I block myself. I do not learn. I do not see what are the idea others have. What is she trying to say? What is he trying to say about this particular topic? So when you are bossy, you block yourself from learning about what others have to say. I must not be bossy because it's a bad habit. Bossing is bullying, being aggressive, getting your way is not a good habit. I must not be bossy at home with my brother, sister to get something done. They will not like me. I must not be bossy when I ask for something from mommy, from teacher, friend. I want it. Give me that. Get me this. We do not use magic words. So, being bossy, nobody likes. So, let us say to ourselves, I am a little girl, growing up girl. My parents have trust in me. I will not be bossy at home, at school, and in the neighborhood. I must not be bossy. When I play with my friends, you have a lot of friends and you play together, you play always, you cannot play alone. You have to play with friends. And while you play, if you're going to be a bossy person, your friends will have you out of the group. So you must say to yourself, I must not be bossy when I play with my friends. I must not be bossy when I play. Playtime is a happy time. When I play with my friends. Your game time, playing time should be a happy one. You must get together, play together, agree together. Only then it will be nice. I must not be bossy because I will lose my friends. At playtime, if you're going to be aggressive, you're going to boss them, say, no, we will do this way, we'll only play this game. Then what are you going to do? You're going to lose friends. And you're sure you do not want to lose friends. I must not be bossy because I will lose my friends. Friends had to be kept. Friends had to be cultivated. We should be happy together. Not one person dominating and everybody else. No. You have to give and take, listen and give your opinion, and that's all. So I must say to myself, I must not be bossy when I play with my friends, when I play with my siblings at home, when I play with my cousins in the house, when I play with my neighbors' children outside, when I play in school, when I play in the playground. In all these places, I must say to myself, I will listen to others in the group. I will not be bossy and aggressive. Force my way to get what I want to do. I must not be bossy because I will lose my friends if I do what I do. So I will try and not be bossy because I do not want to lose my friends. I must not be bossy because I am forcing my idea on others. What is the meaning of bossy? You're forcing your idea on others and not listening to others. You want your way, and that is what you're doing. So I must not be bossy because when I'm bossy, because I am trusting, I am forcing. I'm forcing my ideas, forcing my ideas on others. That's not good at all. That means you are not learning, you are not there is no give and take. You must not be bossy because what am I trying to do? I am entrusting, trusting it upon. No, we will do this. We will play this game. Friends will say, go here. I will go. You go that side, we'll play. So when I am bossy, when I am forceful, when I am aggressive, I am forcing my idea on others and nobody will like it. surely nobody will want you in the circle of friends. I must not be bossy. No one likes you to be bossy. I must not be bossy because I'm having my way all the time. I must not be bossy to have my way all the time, both at home and at school in the playground. And that is not a good habit at all. I must not be bossy to have my way all the time. Only you must do what I say. You must play the game I say. Go to the place where I say. Then, if it is at home, mommy will say, keep quiet. The sibling will say, don't take her. Classroom, they'll say, leave her out. So, all again, you are losing because they will segregate you. You are losing friends, you are losing all your good friends. I must not be bossy when I play with my friends, siblings, cousins, neighbors. I must not be bossy because I will lose my friends. Your sisters, brothers will say, yeah, move aside. I must not be bossy because I am forcing my idea on others. I must not be bossy to have my way all the time. Sometimes, yes, but not all the time. Nobody will like you because you are forcing your idea on others, thrusting it on others. I must not be bossy because I am not giving others a chance. When you are a bossy person, you are not giving others a chance to speak, to do, to play. So I must not be bossy because I am not giving others a chance. All the time you want to have your way, you want to have your chance, but you're not giving others chance to speak up, give ideas, to work on. So you are not allowing them, or you don't want their cooperation, you don't want their help, but you want to thrust upon others what you know only. So that's not a good habit at all. I must not be bossy because I'm stubborn and forceful. When you are bossy, you are stubborn and forceful. I must not be bossy because then I am stubborn. I am stubborn and forceful. You are stubborn and you are forceful. That's the meaning of bossiness. No, we will divide like this. We will share like this. We will do like this. We will work like this. We will dance like this. When you say like that, you are putting your condition, but you're not letting others grow. So, when you are bossy, I must not be bossy because then I do not grow. I must not be bossy, then I do not grow. I do not grow and learn from others. Learn from others. What's the meaning of growing? Not only growing physically, but growing in mind. So what are we trying to tell ourselves? We are trying to cultivate a nice little personality, leaving out aggression, forcefulness, stubbornness. Learn to be happy with yourself. How can you be happy with yourself? We are learning happiness. We are learning to give and take in our home. Mommy and daddy helps us to grow, to be happy children, to be listening, to be sharing, to give in, to listen to others so that we grow all the time. So I am telling myself, I must not be bossy when I play with my friends. When I play with my friends, I should not boss them. I should agree with them. I should cooperate with them, play nicely, be happy together. I must not be bossy because I will lose my friends. If I am not going to listen to my friends, if I am going to have my way, then I will lose my friends. They will say, go away. I must not be bossy because I'm forcing my way on them. No, we'll play this game. We'll play it like this. We'll have only so many. Then it is forcing idea, not listening to others. I must not be bossy to have my way all the time. You tell mommy, no, I want only this dish. I want only this dress. We will go here. We won't go there. Then mommy will say, nothing doing. Learn to listen. Correct your way in the house. When you are doing right things in the house, then you will not be having your way all the time outside. I must not be bossy because then I am a stubborn person. I'm forceful, getting things done. Your friends won't like it. But instead, listen to your teacher, your friends, your mother, and tell yourself, I will not be stubborn. I'll be listening. I'll be good in my circle of friends. I will not force my way so that others won't like me. I must not be bossy, then I do not grow and learn from others. When I am bossy, I am forceful, I am forcing my idea on others, then I get blocked. I am not growing. I am not thinking. I am not accepting other friends in my group. I am not accepting my siblings. Then I become very sad person, not growing. So I am going to tell myself today, I must not be a bossy child. I must not be a bossy instead. I must be a calm child. Loved at home, loved in the class, loved among the circle of friends who want me for themselves.